What if these signals would gain strength, spread from few pioneers to many different groups of actors, and become widespread practice?
What if experimenting aligned social and technological innovation would be at the core of successful innovation systems? Public authorities strive to foster a permanent stage of social experimentation through a loosely connected network of local bottom-up projects. Enablers for collective experimentation, such as innovation toolkits, form the critical infrastructure for public experimentation.
What if many innovations would be enjoyed only virtually? Virtual-only products satisfy human appetite for newness. They are displayed in virtual galleries for public perception, or projected into homes and offices for individuals on demand. Most of these products are never materialized.
What if innovation becomes publicly negotiated? Companies advertise for innovation proposals to citizens, competing to get innovation credits from them, in order to get approved the development of the new product.
What if companies generate most innovations on special request from user communities? Together with sociologists, designers, and developers, communities of users develop innovation scenarios and sell them to companies.
What if innovation fatigue takes over and no innovation is in vogue? The innovation rush is finally slowing down. Product cycles are becoming longer again. For market success, unchanging quality is more important than ever. New offers.
What if innovation camps, where people gather for a few days to innovate together, become widely established as a means of problem solving? Innovation camps are used by companies, public sector and civil society to solve problems from high-tech challenges to neighborhood facilities. Most people do regularly join innovation camps.
What if innovation is primarily directed at the other 90% of the world population living in poverty? Extreme low-cost, high innovation strategies prevail. Rich world companies struggle as they lack the competences and culture required. Innovators from today emerging markets do much better due to their long-standing experience.
What if open source development is no longer limited to software development, but becomes an all-encompassing innovation pattern? Many products and services are provided by people contributing bits and pieces to various technological and social innovation projects. Open source business models and coordination mechanisms abound.
What if fabrication laboratories for everybody with flexible manufacturing equipment become widely available and allow people to produce ever more products themselves? Self-production of personalized objects is the standard way of producing commodities directly at home or in create-it-yourself shops or malls, with optional professional support. Companies just deliver materials, components, equipment and design tools. Brands do hardly play a role anymore.
What if the current emphasis on innovation and creativity for designers, programmers, and engineers spreads to all workplaces? All employees from the janitor to top management are constantly involved into innovation activities. Creativity is part of any job's daily routine and is key in performance measurements. Part of the job is to redefine the job itself.
What if companies no longer innovate themselves, but fully externalize innovation to an open innovation marketplace? Nomadic innovators bid on innovation tenders and contests in constantly changing teams. They gather in co-working spaces, some of which are top favorite employers for creative people.
What if companies would collaborate in joint innovation places? Independent innovation plants will rent large open spaces for companies to settle their innovation staff with private areas, and all sorts of collaborative facilities in between.
What if companies use digital systems to randomly create and test innovation variants before selecting the fittest for further development? Enormous amounts of variants are tested, often with an unexpected outcome. design, creativity, and consumer research lose relevance. Engineers dream of ultimately simulating the end user, and this fully automate the innovation process.
What if we scan the internet for ideas and automatically pick the ones that best answer to current customer needs? Sophisticated semantic web filters track changes in consumer preferences and new ideas in real time, and automatically extract innovations with outstanding market potential.
What if innovation skills would be high on the education agenda right from kindergarten? Children are motivated to maintain their discovery spirits and learn how to question facts and think things differently. Learning is project-oriented with a high emphasis on bricolage. Innovation becomes something that is taught as a matter of course, just like the ABC.
What if the bulk of successful and disruptive innovations were to come from today's emerging markets? The West adopts the role of a follower and has to face products primarily designed for different cultural context. Western companies wishfully look to Asia, often with the help of industrial espionage. Creative people migrate to the new innovation hotspots in Asia and send back their money home to the United States and Europe.
What if the principle of waste equals food and cradle to cradle would be widely adopted? Instead of raw material databases, with used components and materials serve as a starting point for innovations. The whole world becomes one internal circle. Everything that is made of something is part of making something.
What if stores were to become laboratories, where companies and customers co-develop innovations? Laboratory department stores would offer theme worlds such as family life or new sports, where customers can experience unreleased products, individualize existing goods, and in return, get access to products fitting better their needs and desires.
What if cities became stronger actors in the field of innovation by proactively pushing for needed solutions? Cities could take on the investment risks for the development and implementation of needed innovations, and use this as a new economic factor by patenting and marketing their solutions to other cities.